If you're looking to set up discussions with your students or get them working in groups, the new Padlet group feature is excellent, and I'm going to show you 2 ways that you could use it, and you could try these ideas with your students this week. So we're using a free account, and I'm going to click on Make a Padlet, and this time I'm going to come down and choose this button here called Breakout Groups, and I'm going to click on that. And actually it already organizes the breakout groups for me. So I'm going to click on Done because these instructions are fine. Notice that we've already got 3 breakout rooms. Now if we want to add more breakout rooms, just click on Add Section, then write in what you want to be the title. So for example, we're going to write Breakout Rooms Group 4. It's a good idea to write some instructions, so the best thing to do is to click here on the settings. We know that it's called breakout rooms. We can give it a new title and we can give it a different description. So I've written my question, is ChatGPT a positive thing for education? And I'll add a question mark. I've also written the description. Now there's one more thing you need to do before you share this with your students. So there's one final thing to do. Go to Settings, come down to Field Post. And in Field Posts here, you want to turn off all of the attachments. So click on Attachments and choose None. This way, the students can only write. Another thing that you might like to do is to click on Subject and change this word here to Group, as the students can write their group name and then afterwards write their text. Now the reason for doing that is that now when the students go to do the activity and they click here, they can only write their group name and then what they think about ChatGPT, nothing else. So what will happen is group 1 will write their answer in here by clicking here. Group 2 will write their answer here, etc. Now, for the students to access the Padlet, just click on the Share button. You have 2 options. 1, copy the link and share that with the students. Or 2, click on Get QR Code. The students can point their phones at the screen and get the QR code. Let's imagine you wanted this to be an audio exercise where students record their answers. Just go over to the field posts, so go to Settings, go to Field Posts, turn off the body, so hide the body, so students can't write anything now, but this time go to Attachments and turn on Audio and click on Save. Now, when the students are working in groups and want to share their ideas, one of the students can click on the plus button, and this time the students will have to record their answer. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks, and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.